Error 403, access denied on interactive brokers means the server is blocking your access due to security concerns. This is often triggered by IBKR's web application firewall or rate limiting mechanisms. Common causes include IP blocking due to suspicious activity, browser issues, VPN complications, and login problems. Understanding these reasons is the first step to fixing the error. Interactive Brokers maintains a dynamic blacklist of IPs flagged for suspicious activity, such as multiple failed logins or data scraping. If you suspect an IP block, try the following. Restart your router to get a new IP address. Restart your router to get a new IP address. Avoid public Wi-Fi or shared IP pools. If the problem persists, consider using a residential VPN for a cleaner IP. Note that IBKR actively detects and blocks many VPN IPs, so choose carefully. Browser-related 403 errors often stem from outdated browsers, cached data, or problematic extensions that corrupt session cookies. Start by clearing your browser cache and cookies regularly to remove stored data that might be causing conflicts. Next, make sure JavaScript is enabled in your browser, as Interactive Brokers requires it for proper functionality. Many 403 errors occur when JavaScript is blocked or disabled. To bypass stored restrictions or corrupted data, try using incognito mode, which doesn't save cookies or cache. Alternatively, switch to a different browser to see if the issue persists. Finally, ensure your browser supports HTTPS-only mode for encrypted sessions. Interactive Brokers uses secure connections, and forcing HTTPS can resolve access issues related to unencrypted data. While VPNs can mask your IP to bypass blocks, IBKR's detection tools are sophisticated. If you use a VPN, select dedicated IPs or rotate servers frequently. Some VPN providers offer IBKR-optimized servers, but these are increasingly detected. Residential VPNs are generally more effective than commercial VPNs. Be aware that IBKR blocks around 70% of commercial VPN IPs. Login problems are a common cause of 403 forbidden errors on Interactive Brokers. Issues like incorrect credentials, expired sessions, or two-factor authentication failures can block access to your account. If your credentials are incorrect, reset your password through Interactive Brokers' secure portal. This ensures you have the right login information to access your account. Make sure your device is compatible with Interactive Brokers' Trader Workstation software. Incompatible devices can cause login failures, leading to 403 errors. Verify your two-factor authentication configuration. Incorrect 2FA codes are a frequent cause of login blocks and 403 errors. According to Interactive Brokers, login problems represent a large share of support requests for 403 forbidden errors, highlighting the importance of proper authentication procedures. If you're using the Interactive Brokers API, you might encounter error 403 due to rate limits that prevent overwhelming the server. Implement exponential backoff in your code. This means waiting longer between retries after each failed attempt, starting with short delays and exponentially increasing them. Consider using a dedicated IP address. Shared IPs from VPNs or public networks can trigger blocks, so opt for a dedicated IP through cloud services to ensure consistent access. The updated API Access Control System uses machine learning to block IPs based on real-time behavioral analysis. Monitor your request patterns and avoid predictable sequences that could be flagged as automated threats. IBKR's 403 errors are a security measure to prevent unauthorized access and cyber threats. The platform uses AI-enhanced security to preemptively block threats. Future trends may include blockchain-based authentication to minimize IP checks. Expect increased mobile app integrations and automated resolution tools in future updates. IBKR prioritizes security over convenience, so be prepared for proactive security measures. Online communities like Reddit's r/Interactive Brokers often share user-driven solutions for Error 403 issues. Common fixes include switching to a residential VPN and clearing browser history. Cybersecurity experts emphasize that 403 errors are a necessary measure in the fight against account hacks. If all else fails, contact IBKR support for assistance, providing details about your setup and the steps you've already taken.